Welcome students, myself Professor A.T. Kadam from the Department of Engineering Mathematics at Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about total derivative. Do you know what are derivatives? Derivatives are a fundamental tool of calculus. Or the derivative of f of x with respect to x is a function f dash of x and is defined as f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Let's see the definition of total derivative. If u is equal to f of xy, where x is equal to phi of t and y is equal to psi of t, then we can express u as a function of t alone by substituting the value of x and y in f of xy. Thus, we can find the ordinary derivative du by dt. Ordinary derivative means which contain only one independent variable, which is called as the total derivative of u. To distinguish it from the partial derivative dA by u by dA by x and dA by u by dA by y. Partial derivative means which contain two or more independent variable. And this is also known as chain rule. And the chain rule is du by dt is equal to dA by u by dA by x into dx by dt plus dA by u by dA by y into dy by dt. Okay. Next, see the example. Given u is equal to sin x upon y, where x is equal to e raised to t and y is equal to t square. Find du by dt as a function of t and verify your result by direct substitution. Let's start the solution. We have u is equal to sin x upon y, where x is equal to e raised to t and y is equal to t square. That means u is the function of xy and xy are the function of t. That means u indirectly function of t. And therefore, here we can use chain rule. And therefore, by using chain rule, du by dt is equal to dA by u by dA by x dx by dt plus dA by u by dA by y into dy by dt. I call this an equation number first. We know that u is equal to sin x upon y. Now differentiate partially with respect to x and y respectively. Because of given u is a function of two independent variable, and we'll get dA by u by dA by x is equal to derivative of sin means cos x upon y into again derivative of x upon y will becomes 1 upon y, because here differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate partially with respect to y and we'll get dA by u by dA by y is equal to again derivative of sin, that is cos x upon y, and into a derivative of x upon y with respect to y will get minus 1 upon y square into x. But we know that the value of x and y, value of x is e raised to t and value of y is t square. Differentiate this x and y with respect to t and we'll get dx by dt is equal to e raised to t, because the derivative of e raised to t will becomes e raised to t, and derivative of y dy by dt is equal to 2t. Here by using the result derivative of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Equation first become du by dt is equal to dA by u by dA by x into dx by dt plus dA by u by dA by y dy by dt. Put the value of dA by u by dA by x, dx by dt, dA by u by dA by y and dy by dt in this chain rule. And therefore, du by dt is equal to cos x upon y into 1 upon y into e raised to t plus cos x upon y into minus 1 upon y square into x into 2t. We can simplify here and therefore we'll get the value of du by dt is equal to cos x upon y into 1 upon y in bracket e raised to t minus 2xt upon y. But we know that the value of x is equal to e raised to t and y is equal to t square. Put this value in this step and we'll get du by dt is equal to cos e raised to t upon t square into 1 upon t square in bracket e raised to t minus 2 into e raised to t into t upon t square, and this can be written as du by dt is equal to cos e raised to t upon t square into 1 upon t square into e raised to t into 1 minus 2 upon t. And the required answer is du by dt is equal to cos e raised to t upon t square into e raised to t upon t square into t minus 2 upon t. This is the total derivative of given function u is equal to sin x upon y. And this result we can verify by the direct method, that is substitution. Given u is equal to sin x upon y and where x is equal to e raised to t and y is equal to t square. Put these two value of x and y in this given function u is equal to sin e raised to t upon t square. That means this function u is the function of t. Okay. And therefore this function differentiate with respect to t. We get du by dt is equal to derivative of sin means cos e raised to t upon t square into again derivative of e raised to t upon t square according to derivative of quotient. What is the derivative of quotient or division of any two function? That is derivative of u upon v is equal to derivative of v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. According to that result, we'll get here t square into e raised to t minus 2t e raised to t upon t raised to 4. This simplify du by dt is equal to cos e raised to t upon t square into e raised to t into t. Here take common e raised to t into t and in bracket remains only t minus 2 upon t raised to 4, and that can be written as du by dt is equal to cos of e raised to t upon t square into e raised to t. This t and this t will get cancelled into in bracket will remains t minus 2 upon t cube. This is the required derivative of u with respect to t. Thank you.